Hey there, this is Ginong White and this is my morning ramble inside my car parked, and I'm already parked here near my school, and so I'm gonna get started because it's going to be busy for me today. Naka-line up lahat ng aking mga meetings starting from 8:45 to 10 to the afternoon, so it's going to be very interesting today. So as you notice, there's like light kasi nakaharap ako sa parking fronting the ramp. So that being said, yesterday I started to ask our teachers for lesson plan support. That gave me this experience when I first used AI in my lesson plan. And so at first I was like, okay, let's try photosynthesis lesson. So of course tinype ko lang photosynthesis lesson, that's it. And so I found out that it will give me a very generic, super general lesson plan, which I don't know if I can deliver them. So that was my first thought of the lesson that AI gave back to me. And so I thought, okay, pero it's kind of weird because that's not how I will teach. Because prior to that, of course, I've been writing lesson plans since I was 20. I'm already 45. And so I said, okay, I'm not satisfied. Hindi yan yung style ko. So I added a little bit more. Photosynthesis lesson. Please include a very interesting video. Also discussion questions. Also add an element of group activity in the middle of the lesson, and a 15-minute lecture about the importance of photosynthesis and the process in itself. And so when I put that into my lesson plan, I noticed that it gave me a better response. Number one, it gave me the exact thing I wanted, which is a video. And I'm glad that the AI knows kung saan ilalagay yung video na yon, on where it's going to be, and it includes the discussion question about the video. And so I noticed, okay, this is great, it's getting better. And then my instruction that says 15-minute mini lesson on photosynthesis and its importance. And then after that, a group activity. I think the group activity was just making sense of the photosynthesis, if I remember it right. And then after that, there is a closure. So generally, alam ng AI, it knows that yung general segment kung paano gumawa ng lesson plan. That's great. Pero again, you need to make sure na yung input mo is what you exactly want to visualize once dineliver mo na yung lesson plan sa classroom mo. And this gave me a realization that not all teachers know about this. And it takes practice, and it also takes a little bit more consideration kung sino yung estudyante mo sa classroom. Because in order for the AI to generate a very comprehensive and intentional lesson plan, you also have to be intentional on the input that you are going to put in to the prompt. And so I always wonder why some of our teachers think that AI will spit out and it's for the lazy teachers. No, it's not. It is actually for the teachers who wants to intentionally write their lesson plan as efficient as possible, to manage time, to make your lesson planning effective, and at the same time saving. So what about you? What is your thoughts? Write it in a comment. And this is my morning ramble. I have about 8 minutes to get to our building. I'll see you later. Bye.